sweat her like Keith got me twisted, working on raising the tension. Show her can't nobody love her like me, and I ain't pretentious, no. I know that time ain't really on our side.
What's up, loves? It's your girl Cheryl, back with a video today. I hope that the lines in my windows don't bother y'all. But anyway, I wanted to do something different. I wanted to do makeup, but I wanted to talk to you. I wanted to see how your life is going. If you don't want to sit here and watch this full video and tutorial, I do have a 1-minute version of it up here. So click right there. And if you want to talk to me, chill, like, stay. Y'all, the first thing I'm going to take, and excuse how ugly this palette looks, but I'm going to take this eyebrow palette from BH Cosmetics, and I kind of like bounce between shades, between this brown one and this light brown one. Today I'm going to take the lighter one, and I'm just going to go ahead and start sculpting my brows out. Y'all, what's up? Like, how are you doing? How is your life? I know there's so many things that are complicated right now, but I really wanted to make sure, like, I came on here today and tell you to keep going. Like, it is okay. I think I have had, like, the toughest week ever. That's okay. That's just life. Everything is okay. Let me kind of move this back. See, those are my brows. Okay, after brows, technically after brows, technically not after brows. Does anybody consider the concealer around the brows still your brows? Because low-key, I do. I'm like, technically my brows like aren't done, but they're done, if that makes sense. Then we're going to go ahead and take Cool Tan by LA Girl and go underneath the brow, bring it up a little bit more, kind of just perfect it. And y'all, I usually, when I just do my like basic makeup, I would just go ahead and put my foundation on and everything. But today I wanted to do some eyeshadow, and I can't wait to show y'all. Like, literally, the eyeshadow that I'm gonna do today. I want something bright. I need something bright in my life today. Eyeshadow time, y'all, and I'm so excited to do this bright look today. I'm just gonna bring this eyeshadow all the way down here. Honey, look how red that is. Ooh, oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, it's like I got hit in the face. Ew, I don't want that to happen though. go so heavy with orange, also because I love orange on my skin. But anyway, we're just gonna do that, and I'm gonna bring this orange a little bit over. Okay. Oh, hello, yellow. The sun's coming back out a little bit. Yay, yay. Because it was going away, and I don't have any other lighting right now. Okay, now we go back in a little bit of that orange, and we blend, honey, we blend. Oh, look at that, that's so cute. Not this color. Oh, but this color, it's here though. Oh my gosh, I love it. And don't be scared, again, because we have to blend it. Trying to give myself as much room space as possible because I don't really do that. And then we're just gonna, oh, let's grab some yellow. Grab some yellow, ladies. Grab some yellow, y'all. And blend it out. If you haven't noticed, what you want to do when you're blending from that next color is pick up the last color and blend the opposite way. So y'all saw I just put the green right here, right? I went back, I got some more yellow, blend it, and blend the green downwards. And we'll do that the same for the blue. So I'll show you. Watch really close, okay? Put the blue right here. And then watch me, because I'm about to take the green and blend back downward. Ooh, oh my gosh. I love it. Lastly, for the eyeshadow, so here we are, adding that. And then I'm just gonna like kind of blend it up into the shadow, just a little bit. It's time for some foundation in the sunshine. You know what that looks like? That looks good. It is time for powder contour and eyeliner, lashes, and I think we're done, hun. Or just go like this. get your forehead. You don't want to look like you're wearing a mask. This allows a little gradient effect. I also take another little contour brush. I get right in the corner. See how that just brings that together. Highlighter, and I'm so excited to apply this in the sun. Girl. Oh my gosh. Just add a ton of it. If you haven't watched my eyeliner tutorial, feel free to watch it. All I do is literally take my eyeliner up, and I drag it all the way back down. I had to look in the mirror because I could not see in the camera for a moment. And bring it back down and fill it in. Time to pop this lash real quick. Hold on. Okay, y'all. I popped a little lash and I think that's the look. Y'all, I'm sorry the lighting was so inconsistent. We're working on that.